Okay, I'm going to show you the bike which I took after my tannery. Okay, the bike is going to be Kawasaki versus 650 ABS. Okay, I took the bike as it is. You can see it's all in a good condition. Just walking around, you can have a look of this. This is 2012 machine. Okay, from the front, let's talk about the price I paid. Okay, I think it's value for money. The front headlight they have comes with a protector, and also it comes with a fog light. On both sides, you can see the fog light here. Here, the fog light here. It comes with a screen protector and with a Givi high windshield. An option to fix with another what do you call that? Fog light. I think the previous owner left it. ABS brake, and the tire is still good. And with the Buckbuster guard and footrest, additional footrest. The horn is good, big, and also has big foot with rubberized mat below. I find it's very useful. And a guard for the gear. It came with two boxes, Kiwi box on both sides. Top box is from my previous tannery. I remove and install it. And it came with this, the bike came with this rack. It also comes with a camera fitted in, and rear guard, mud guard. Okay, it comes with the rear mud guard. And also comes with the main stand, and this is the engine guard and front muffler. Okay, this is the stock what do you call it, engine guard below. And I believe the previous owner have changed this to a good. The brake lining and clutch lining have changed to a new one. Even the rear line, you have changed the rear line, a better one. Okay, what else can I say? More or less it's complete. Nothing much I need to be done to this bike. And engine sounds good. Okay, it also comes with the voltmeter and a gear indicator, and it came with this tray switch and additional for the handphone, whatever you want to fix here. And a power outlet. The previous owner has spent quite some money on it, and also he have changed this mirror to round one and plus a small mirror so you can see the blind spot, and have fitted with this extra fitting. I think this can be used to put a GoPro or whatever it is, or your GPS navigator. And you can see the other day I top up fuel twice, about $10, about 4.4 or 4.5 liters, and I've traveled until 228, and I just top up a 2.5 liter spare tank. I wanted to test, and you can see the engine starts very smooth. Just one push, one press or one push, what you call that, and it starts. Not to forget, you have also fixed aftermarket exhaust. I want to sound different. On is on both sides. It's loud. And the chain is new chain. It's not a good chain. What else? Only thing I need to change this, the bottom skid plate. I need to change that. Other than that, nothing much to change. Everything is there. Well, what do you think about this bike? Hope you guys like it. I hope my investment is good. Trading in my Super Tannery, my big and beautiful. Now this is called the Black Beauty. Okay, so from now on, this bike, my baby, we call as Black Beauty. Hope you like it.